Unique Edwin Jagger razors offer a very close, comfortable shave with very low-cost blade replacement. Comfortable weight and balance for accurate, close shaving. This is an ideal razor, with a blade angle perfectly suited for both new and experienced double-edge wet shavers. Genuine Edwin Jagger razor produced in England. Register your new razor with the manufacturer for authenticity and excellent product support. The two-part razor head is compatible with all standard double-edge safety razor blades and includes a free 5-blade pack of blades. Delivered in smart Edwin Jagger packaging, with instructions, traditional wet shaving advice and product registration information. This Amazon-exclusive double-edge safety razor includes 5 free Derby to safety razor blades to get you started. All original design Edwin Jagger double-edge safety razors come with detailed wet shaving instructions and a product registration card to confirm authenticity. Edwin Jagger is world-renowned as the original, English manufacturer of the DE8 range of double-edge safety razor wet shaving razors. Top reviews from the United States. Great all-around razor. This, in my opinion, is the perfect all-around razor head. Not too mild, not too aggressive. The razor is attractive, feels nice in the hand, performs well. Great price too. A+.